Okay, if you thought the other monsoon storm was good, wait till you see this one. From Kenting, Taiwan, the very southernmost tip of the island. I'm just going to kind of walk along the resort here. I'm not going to get too close to the ocean because it's really scary. Okay, here we go. Hopefully the flip will hang tough. Hope you can see it. It's getting a little wet. It's very good. Look at it. Freezing. Fury of Mother Nature. You can't even see that little tip of the island there way in the background. It's perfectly clear, yeah? Almost. Oh, and the sand is beating on me. Okay. Time to move on. Not sure if you could see those well. It is something else.